In today's video, I'm going to teach you easily add a payment method on your Cursor AI account by going to Billing and Invoicing and Manage Subscription. Add payment method. If you're setting up billing for the first time or simply adding a new card, this quick walkthrough will make the process smooth and error-free. The goal is to ensure your subscription stays active without interruptions and that your payment details are stored securely and accurately. From your account dashboard, start by navigating to Billing and Invoicing. This is the central place where all things related to charges, invoices, and payment settings live. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the right area helps you avoid clicking into general settings or profile preferences by mistake. Once you're in Billing and Invoicing, open Manage Subscription. Think of this as your control panel for plan details and payment configuration. Here you can view your current plan, see billing cycles, and most importantly, manage how you pay. It's a good practice to glance at your plan and renewal date so you know when charges typically occur. Next, choose Add Payment Method. This is where you'll enter the details for the card or payment option you want to use. The prompts are designed to guide you step by step. Move slowly and make sure the name and billing address match what your bank or card issuer has on file, including abbreviations and postal codes. Small mismatches, like a missing apartment number or a typo in the street name, can cause a verification failure. As you provide the payment details, double-check the expiration date and ensure the card is active and authorized for online transactions. If you're using a company card, confirm you have permission to use it and that the billing contact information aligns with your organization's records. If the platform supports multiple payment types, select the one that best fits your needs and follow the on-screen guidance. After entering everything, review the summary carefully. A quick scan now can prevent declined charges later. If anything doesn't look right, correct it before you proceed. Once the method is added, you should see it listed within your subscription settings. That's your confirmation that the account is ready for future billing. If you don't immediately see the new payment method in the list, refresh the page or reopen Manage Subscription to update the view. And remember, keeping your billing information current ensures uninterrupted access to your tools and avoids surprise service pauses. That's it. You've successfully added a payment method by going to Billing and Invoicing, then Manage Subscription and selecting Add Payment Method.